Hey everybody, it's Allison here with New Little Life. Today I just finished pumping with my Willow and I'm gonna show you in a quick video how to do the flip to finish. Now this is a really important step because the Willow pumps are different than your traditional pump. They have a flex tube in there which gets the milk from the breast and into the container or the bag. And you have to get the milk out of that. So the flip to finish is an important part of finishing your pump with the Willow. So let's talk about how to do it. First, I'm gonna show you how to do it with the reusable milk containers, and I'll put a video up top if you wanna see more information on those. And then we'll go over and I'll show you how to do it with the bags. Okay, so the reusable milk container, it's very important that you close the valve, and let me show you what I mean. You can see for pumping that I've got it set to number 1. That's so that the valve is open to let the air in and out as it's suctioning. You have to switch it so that you can see the 2 to close that valve or your milk is gonna leak all over the place. So when you take that out, flip it to number 2, break the suction and take it out. Now it's all closed up. You wanna flip it towards you. This is the point where you'll know if you miss that step because milk will start leaking out. The pump is automatically gonna start gulping. If it doesn't, just push the play button. So I'm gonna hold it upside down for a few of those gulps. All of that milk should be out of the flex tube. Let's take a look. All right, I got distracted talking to you during that process, so there's still a little bit of milk in that tube. So we're gonna do it again because I want that milk in the container. With the containers, you have a little bit more flexibility. You can kind of just pour it in if you're coordinated enough. With the bags, you don't. You have to get the flip to finish right to get all that milk out. And we'll show you the bags in just a minute here. All right, so with it on number 2, you've turned it towards you. Go ahead and just push play. Oh, the whole pump turned off. Okay, now we're gonna push play. So slowly rotate it up. Hold it there for 2 gulps. Back towards you. Okay, let's see if that one worked a little bit better. Perfect. There is no more milk in that flex tube. Okay, so at this point with the container, you can flip that back to 1, open it up, and pour it into a bottle or bag, whichever way you're storing that. Let's jump over and I'll show you how to do the flip to finish with the bag option. Okay, so there is quite a bit of milk in there that I can actually see. Just dumped it out. Normally, it will just kind of gulp, still keep going for you. I actually had to run downstairs just now to open the door for the call again guy. I missed my flip to finish, so I'm gonna go ahead and push the play button and restart that. So what you wanna do is turn that blue dot so it's facing you. Then you can kind of see what you're doing and get gravity to help get all that milk out of the flex tube. Go ahead and just push that play button. Couple gulps like this. Then stick it straight up to get all that out of the tube. 3 or 4. Continue twisting while it gulps. About 8 gulps in total is what you're gonna get. Finish the flip and you should have nothing left in that flex tube. Last time I did this, I could tell I didn't do a great job because when I took it all apart, milk was spilling out. So I only pumped for about 3 minutes maybe while I was turning on all my lights and camera and stuff. But I have been impressed with how much milk I'm getting from the Willow, even just a short pump. I actually just fed him on this side last 2, so I was not expecting a lot of milk. Looks like there's about 2 ounces in there though. There is a lot of air also because I did that flip to finish so many times for you guys. There's not normally that much air. So let's take that bag off. And that flex tube is totally empty. Awesome. If you have any problems or questions with the flip to finish, please comment down below and I'd be happy to answer those for you. Or if you have a trick that works better for you that you'd like to share, also leave that down there. The moms love hearing from each other and I love that too. I've got lots more videos on the Willow, so check those out and we'll see you next time.